seems like only it sounds like it's only priest can achieve Buddhahood, or the salvation is available for anybody on this planet.
So I would say anyone can achieve it. So as a Buddhist, there is a practice we can provide, like, it's designed for the Japanese people, designed by the Japanese, the tradition. But I mentioned simple three things: good action, good speaking, good thinking. This is actually very core the things for the practice. You can imagine it, instead as a Buddhist, as a director. So what is your three things? When some Christianity or other religion people have a visit the temple, I'm always say that as a Christianity, as a Muslim, what is a good three things? What is a good action? What is a good speaking? What is a good thinking? So, and now the visually we are different. I mentioned Mahabharata Buddha's idea, but we are same. Just shape looks like visually different. So in general, people are, as a mother, as a father, as a friend, many different position each people has. If people think three things practice as their position, so as a friend, what is a good speaking? What is a good action? What is a good thinking? As an employee, as a customer as well. So the practice method is very simple. The Shingon Buddhism say, have a good three things, and a good three things practice. Take it off the three poisons from your consciousness. And then when you have nothing in your consciousness, like nothing bad things in your consciousness, at the moment you are the same as a Buddha. So this is an idea.